Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Govind Sahay Jangir, and I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. And I will join the Sofcon India Pvt Ltd in November 23. And I learn about the PLC SCADA and AutoCAD systems. And I placed the first company in January. And then after I will again placed in MNC company, that is the best company in testing, and I got the 4 LCTC per year. And in this Sofcon I will learn the professionality, what is the professional life, and what is our attitude is deserved for our secure future. And we will I will say ki this is Sofcon India Pvt Ltd is a training institute, is the best institute in this India. And I hope so ki they are helpful every time, and they will also again help me to second time to place in the best company in MNC company. Thank you so much for and I will always thankful to Sofcon team. They will provide me a secure future and the best future for my life and my family. Thank you so much.